Dogs can snore for a variety of reasons, much like humans. Factors like sleeping position, breed, weight, allergies, and age can influence a dog's propensity to snore. Breeds with flat faces and short noses, like bulldogs and pugs, are more likely to snore due to their anatomical structure. Overweight dogs can experience snoring because excess throat fat can obstruct their airways. A snoring dog is usually nothing to worry about, but persistent or severe snoring accompanied by other concerning symptoms should prompt a visit to the veterinarian.